Welcome to the channel. I make videos to bring you valuable, practical and interesting information. Sometimes I'll mix things up with different categories because this channel is all about embracing a variety of knowledge. My goal is simple: to help you learn something new in this interesting world we all live in. Let's get started. Imagine a symphony of sound so finely tuned that it has the power to synchronize the hemispheres of your brain, unlocking hidden reserves of creativity, focus, and expanded awareness. This is the promise of Hemi-Sync, a revolutionary audio guidance technology at the heart of the gateway process. Developed by Robert Monroe, a pioneer in the exploration of human consciousness, Hemi-Sync utilizes the power of binaural beats to gently guide the brain into various states of awareness. But how do these seemingly simple sounds elicit such profound effects on the brain? The answer lies in the science of binaural beats and the brain's remarkable ability to entrain or synchronize its electrical activity to external stimuli. When we listen to Hemi-Sync recordings through headphones, each ear receives slightly different frequencies. The brain, in its constant quest for harmony, perceives these subtle differences and creates a third phantom frequency, the binaural beat. This binaural beat acts as a gentle guide, coaxing the brainwaves into specific patterns associated with desired states of consciousness. Whether it's deep relaxation, heightened focus, or the expansive awareness of altered states, Hemi-Sync provides a sonic pathway to explore the vast landscape of the mind. Decades of research, including groundbreaking studies by Dr. Stuart Twemlow and Melissa Yeager, have shed light on the efficacy of Hemi-Sync in achieving these altered states. Their work reveals the remarkable ability of sound to influence brainwave activity, opening up exciting possibilities for personal growth, healing, and the exploration of consciousness. Hemi-Sync, however, is not a magic bullet. It is a tool, a sophisticated technology that, when used responsibly and with intention, can facilitate profound shifts in awareness and unlock the dormant potential within. Like any powerful tool, it requires careful handling, an understanding of its capabilities, and a deep respect for the delicate balance of the human mind. As we delve deeper into the gateway process, we will see how Hemi-Sync, combined with a unique set of mental techniques, forms the foundation for a journey beyond the ordinary, a voyage into the extraordinary realms of human consciousness. The gateway experience is not a passive endeavor. It is an active exploration, a conscious engagement with the subtle energies of our being, guided by powerful techniques. These techniques are rooted in a deep understanding of the human mind. One such technique is the energy conversion box. Imagine constructing a box in your mind for your worries and distractions. This clears your mental space for focused intention and awareness. Another cornerstone is resonant tuning, harmonizing breath, sound, and intention. Deep, rhythmic breathing with Hemi-Sync sound frequencies creates resonance. This resonance allows access to higher states of consciousness. The energy balloon creates a protective shield around us. This sphere filters out unwanted energies. The gateway experience guides us through deeper states of consciousness. Each stage or focus level represents unique perceptual shifts. From Focus 10 to Focus 21, the gateway process explores human consciousness. These techniques are keys to hidden dimensions within ourselves. With practice and patience, we navigate the gateway experience, unlocking our potential. Subscribe for more videos. I focus on providing valuable, practical, and interesting information that can improve people's lives. Time, space, and consciousness. These are the fundamental elements that shape our experience of reality. The gateway process invites us to explore the intricate interplay between these elements, revealing the hidden connections and possibilities that lie beyond the ordinary. At its core, the gateway process suggests that time and space are not fixed constructs, but fluid dimensions that can be navigated through altered states of consciousness. By transcending the limitations of linear time and physical space, we can access a realm of infinite possibilities where past, present and future converge in a single moment of awareness. This exploration of time and space is not merely theoretical. Through the techniques and tools of the gateway process, we can experience firsthand the profound shifts in perception that accompany these altered states. We can journey to the past, glimpse into the future, and explore parallel realities, all within the boundless landscape of our own consciousness. As we continue our journey through the gateway process, we will delve deeper into the mysteries of time, space, and consciousness. We will uncover the hidden potentials that lie within us and learn to navigate the vast, uncharted territories of the mind with clarity, insight, and a profound sense of wonder. The journey ahead is a voyage of discovery, a quest to unlock the extraordinary capabilities of the human mind and explore the limitless possibilities of existence. So let us embark on this journey together with open minds and hearts, ready to embrace the unknown and uncover the hidden treasures that await us within the depths of our own consciousness. So, let's dive into how the gateway process transitioned from a military tool to a mystical journey. It all started with the military's interest in remote viewing and mind expansion. They wanted to explore the untapped potential of the human mind. Over time, though, it became clear that this wasn't just about gaining a tactical advantage. It was about unlocking profound inner experiences and higher states of consciousness. Eventually, the focus shifted from purely strategic purposes to personal growth and spiritual exploration. And well, that's where the real magic began. So, how can we actually use the gateway process in our everyday lives? Well, the techniques can help us manage stress, improve focus, and even enhance creativity. By integrating these practices, we can find greater balance and clarity in our daily routines. It's about making small, consistent changes that lead to profound impacts over time. Throughout history, various cultures and traditions have explored similar concepts of expanded consciousness. The gateway process is, in many ways, a convergence of this ancient wisdom and modern science. By understanding these connections, we can appreciate the depth and richness of this journey. It's a reminder that we are part of a larger tapestry of human experience. As we continue to explore the boundaries of consciousness, the gateway process offers a valuable framework. It encourages us to push beyond our perceived limitations and discover new potentials within ourselves. This journey is not just about personal growth, but also about contributing to the collective evolution of human awareness. It's an exciting frontier full of possibilities. The gateway process has left an enduring legacy, influencing countless individuals and fields of study. Its principles continue to inspire new research and applications, bridging the gap between the known and the unknown. As we move forward, the insights gained from this process will undoubtedly shape the future of our understanding of consciousness.